So why did I go with a digital marketing class? Well, I guess I could have done a lot of other classes, but this class has mentoring a couple times a week. It has a phenomenal community. They're so upbeat and supportive. Also, because the skills you learn, guys, I have things to offer, but I don't know how to get that out to people. That's marketing, okay? I don't know how to market. I know a little bit from my degree in public relations, but I've been out of the workforce for 7 years. I've been graduated for 8 years, okay? I've done a little bit of writing. That's it. So this digital marketing class is a great refresher for me, but also I've never built a following on TikTok or Facebook or anything. This class teaches me that. I am learning how to do that. And not only that, but I am learning how to create an email list, how to share my story in a way that is persuasive and convincing and offers value to people. That is what I am learning from this digital marketing course that I'm taking. And not only that, but as I'm working my way through the course, they turn around and they say, hey, guess what? You can share this course with other people. And if they want it and feel like it's right for them, you get to keep 100% of the profit. Guys, I'm a stay-at-home mom. My husband lost his job 2 months ago because of health issues. He can't work anymore. And watching the kids is work, a lot of work. And he can only do that for a few hours at a time. I cannot work out of the house unless I want to pay someone else to watch my kids, which I really don't want to do. It means a lot to me that my kids are home with someone that I trust, me or my husband, potentially grandparents, but they all work still. That's why I chose this digital marketing course, because it is teaching me what I need to know to build the following, to engage with social media, to use the tools that are out there to market the skills and experiences that I do have. If that's something that you want to know, and if that's something you want to learn, and if you need a cheerleader, if you need someone to walk you step by step through how to do this, put more in the comments, because I have something that I want to share with you.